Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Jessica. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my random lifestyle favorites. So if you want to see what those are, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing I've been loving are these Equate brand whitening strips. These are comparable to the Crest 3D whitening. These are the deluxe. There are 40 strips, so there's 20 what do you call, not sessions, 20 treatments. There we go, 20 treatments. So top and bottom, they stick to your teeth really well. They don't come off. I put them on while I am doing my makeup. They work really well. I used to use the Crest 3D in the day back when they came out. They worked really good, but they hurt my teeth so bad I just couldn't use them. In conjunction with those, I use the Sensodyne extra whitening toothpaste, and I've had zero sensitivity. They do work. My teeth have definitely lightened up. I already have naturally white teeth, but they definitely brighten them up. And then I've told a couple girlfriends about these, and they've been using them and they love them as well, and they've been using this too, and they've come back and said, yes, this works so good, thanks for recommending it. So I definitely wanted to share it with you guys. If you're looking for an inexpensive way to whiten your teeth, especially with the holidays coming up, then I would definitely check out the Equate brand whitening strips. So the next is a beauty favorite, and it is the Matte and Poreless by Maybelline. I'm in the color 120 Classic Ivory, in case you were curious. I really like this foundation. It says it's matte, but I feel like it's more of a satin matte. It's not like super drying. I have really dry skin, and this just looks so pretty. It lasts all day. I love the way it blends. The color matches me really well, and it's really cheap. I think at Target was like $6 and some change, so it's super affordable. I really have been loving this. I know they have a dewy one too. I tried that a long time ago. I tend to not like dewy foundations just because they slide off my face and I don't really like the way they feel, but this one's really comfortable. Again, it lasts all day. It's super affordable, so if you're looking for a new foundation, I recommend trying the Matte and Poreless. So I have really dry skin, and I'm always looking for a good moisturizer. I picked up this Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. It's like a gel consistency, and it works really well. It is about 40 bucks for that bottle, which is expensive, but that will last me for a long time because you don't need much at all. I put just tiny little dots on my face, and I rub it in, and it does my whole face. It feels so nice on my skin. It's really lightweight. It's not greasy. I actually use it in the morning and at night, but I really have been enjoying that. It's not fragranced, or at least I don't smell one, so it's not like a strong perfume. It just works really well. Clinique is known for being a really good skincare brand, but I really like this. Next is this highlighter by Milani. It is like a champagne color. It's called 01 Afterglow Strobe Light. I really like this. I'm wearing it right now. I don't know if you could tell on camera. It's not super overpowering, but it's just enough to just look pretty. I like that it's affordable. I don't really have much else to say, but I have been loving it. It's what I've been using every single day, so I highly recommend this one. Next is this eyeshadow palette by Revolution. This one is in Naked Chocolate. They have a bunch of different ones. They have mint chocolate, rose gold, I think they have white chocolate, dark chocolate, and then each of those has like a different set of colors. I'm trying to open it here. So this one looks like this. It has a bunch of just basically neutral colors. It has some sparkly ones and some matte ones. It's what I'm wearing right now. I really like it. It does smell like chocolate. It doesn't smell as good as the Too Faced chocolate one, but it does smell good. It's a fraction of the price. I think it's like $12, and then I get it at Ulta. You can always use their $3.50 off coupon, or sometimes they send out their 20% off coupon, so you can use that, and then it makes it even more affordable. Next are these coffee mugs. Now these look like Rae Dunn, but they are not. They are Walmart. They're like $2.96 at Walmart. I love them. They're so, so cute. They're really big. They don't have a brand on them, or I would tell you. I cannot seem to find them online for the life of me. But whenever I go in my store, I go back to the section where they have coffee cups, and there's usually like one there. So I pick them up as I can, because I think as soon as they stock them on the shelves, they get off the shelves, because they are just like Rae Dunn, but they are only $3, which is great. I think they're super cute, so definitely check out your Walmart and see if you can find some. My next favorite are my new glasses. Now, I already have glasses, and I got those from Walmart. They are a Hard Candy brand. I got these at Walmart. They are also Hard Candy brand. I just love the shape of them. They're really comfortable, and I think they're really cute. I got a second pair because I'm always forgetting my other pair at home or in the car, and I just never have it. So I wanted to have one for my purse and then one for in the house. These frames were like 68 bucks, so the frames are really inexpensive. It's the lens that costs the money, obviously, but the frames themselves are not expensive at all. I got them in the Walmart Vision Center. Hard Candy, like I said, and yeah, I really like them. Do you guys like them? Alright, last but not least is my phone case. This is a loopy case. Now, I will start by saying that these are kind of pricey. I'm not even gonna lie. Some of you might cringe at the price. I think they're around $40. I do have a coupon code. It's Keep Calm and Clean, I think. I'll make sure and I'll have it listed for you guys below. That'll get you 10% off. So basically, you get free shipping. I'm not working with them or anything. I just contacted them when I got my first case for my old phone and asked them if they would mind giving me a coupon code for my viewers, and they were so nice and they sent that to me. So I actually use it for myself as well and save 10%. Why not? So if you guys did want one, you can use that, save 10%. But I love them. I love this floral one. It's the same pattern I had for my old phone. And then when I got my new phone, I just didn't like the regular cases because these are just so nice, and once you have this loop, you will get totally spoiled to it. So you can just kind of hold it on your finger, and I can like hold my daughter, I can grab groceries if we're like going for a walk, or maybe we're somewhere that I don't want to bring my purse, but I don't necessarily want to put this in my pocket. I can just kind of hold on to it like this. It's really nice for like taking selfies. It helps you hold on to it. And then when I'm just like browsing on my phone, I'll stick my fingers in and hold it like this. And it's just extra security that you don't drop it. I like it. I don't like the pop sockets. I've tried those before. Those hurt my fingers because it kind of goes in between your fingers, and I don't know, it just kind of hurts my fingers. They don't stay on for very long. I really like the loopy. They have a bunch of different patterns. They have cases for different phones as well, not just the iPhones, but definitely check them out. I will link their website below for you guys. Again, they are a little bit pricey, but they're totally worth the money. The cases are really nice. And they come with a really cute little like cinched sack for the case to go in if you're not using it. So for example, mine, and I would totally go get it, but I'm too lazy. I think I just answered a phone call. I'm totally too lazy to go get it, but they come with a little sack that you can store these in when you're not using it, and mine matches my print on my phone, so it's super cute. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Sorry if I am kind of talking fast, but my camera, I'm literally on my third card because it keeps cutting off. I think this is the 4th time I've tried to film this video, so I'm really frustrated and I'm trying to talk really, really fast so that I can get it done before it cuts me off again. So I'm sorry if I'm talking fast. I do apologize. But anyways, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!